So that's a Wade number 5 lathe. It's been modernized a bit with a 80 millimeter tusk chuck, a DC drive motor. Also has a tack for RPMs. And this machine is actually pretty nice because it has a 1 1/16 inch spindle bore, which is kind of big for a lathe this size. My understanding of this machine is that it's a used to Wade bought patent of the American watch tool company, and they made these machines. So this one had the flat belt before, so now it's running on a V pulley system, 4-speed. It's capable of doing 200 to 5,000 RPM. It has forward, oh, and also reverse. Also has a spindle indexation on the back plate, which can help you do some fine work. Thank you.